welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing some cooking. Yes, it's another cooking video, and I know you guys already know what we are about to cook before you clicked in. So as you guys can see, all my ingredients are set. I've already prepped all the ingredients and I'm going to be introducing them to you guys one after the other. Okay, before we go on, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification icon. So I have here my green beans, my green pea, my chicken. This is my chicken. I have my thyme and curry powder. I have here my chopped onion. Here is my carrot. It's frozen carrot. And I have here my red and green pepper. And I'm going to be using some chicken seasoning. I'm going to be using this to season the chicken, because you guys know we are going to be needing the chicken stock. So I'll be adding this chicken seasoning to my chicken. And of course, this is the rice that we are cooking. It said golden parboiled rice. And here I have my cooking oil. You can use butter instead. It's all well and good, butter or margarine. So okay, so you guys, what I'm trying to do here is just placing my chicken in a pot. I placed the chicken in a pot. I added the chopped onion, and I'm adding some seasoning, and you guys see, and I'm adding thyme as well. And after that, I'll be adding some curry powder. All this just to season the chicken, and as well I will be adding salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. So I added that and I covered the chicken to cook before we'll come back to the next step. So this is like 25 minutes after I placed the chicken in a pot, and at this stage I will be taking it out of the stock because I'm going to be roast the chicken in an oven. So I will just take out the chicken from the chicken stock, because you guys know we are going to be using the stock. I will just take the chicken out and I will sieve the water, the stock, you know, all those small particles. I would like to sieve it so that they don't go together with the rice. Okay, so here is the water. I just sieved the water, and it is not enough. So I will be adding some water to the stock. I had an extra water to the chicken stock. I stirred that, and at this stage you want to check if you need more seasoning. So for me, I will be adding this Nigerian chili powder. It's chili pepper. You know, I want the rice to be extra hot a little bit. So here I'm adding an additional curry, and as well as some salt. So I said that you want to check if you need another seasoning cube or something, but for me it is well. So I'll just cover the water and allow it to boil before adding the rice. So guys, here the water has been boiled so well. So, and I have here my rice, my already washed rice. Then I will be adding the rice. I will add this and I will just cover it and allow it to cook while we go ahead and fry the vegetable. Okay, you guys, so I just transferred my rice into the other side of the burner, and I have here my frying pan on the gas already. So I will just be adding the oil. I will add the cooking oil, and here is me just testing if the oil is hot enough, and it is hot. And I'm adding the chopped onion. I added the chopped onion and I stir it together, and as well I will be adding the peppers. both green and red peppers, and I will mix and stir fry together. So next I'll be adding the green pea as well as the green beans. Add those two together, mix everything together very well, and after which I will be adding the carrot. Here is me just adding the carrot. I will add the carrot and I will mix everything. You want to make sure you mix everything together. I mix that and I will cover it to let it cook, because I like my vegetable to cook even though a little bit before I start frying it together with the rice. So I just cover it to cook for like 2 minutes, you know, the heat and everything, just to soften the vegetable. So at this stage I just come on to check on it and it is well for me. And okay, I forgot to show you guys this earlier. I forgot to mention this. I had this my already fried liver. It's already fried, so that's why I'm adding it at this stage. I just added that and I will stir it together. Then I'm trying to take some vegetable out of this the pot, the pan, because you know I'm going to be frying this batch by batch. So that's what I'm just doing right here. I'm just taking some vegetable out, and here I will be adding the rice. I'll be adding the rice just to fry it together. So as I'm adding the rice, I will mix together to see if the vegetable is much enough for me. But if it is not enough, I will go ahead and add more. So as you guys see here, I just added more vegetables and I will stir fry it together. So as I'm stir frying it, I will be transferring it into this container, rubber container right here by my side. So I fry this like 2 to 3 times, I think. Yes, I fry it like 3 times, and that is it all, guys. That is all I do. This is how I fry my vegetable fried rice. So please, if you find this video helpful, you find it very interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up the video, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the love and your support. I love you all. Okay guys, so here is the end result. Here is the end result of our food. This is the outcome. So I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my new uploads. Thank you and bye bye.